by the end of this video, you would have high chances of a recruiter approaching you on LinkedIn regarding job opportunities directly in your DM so that you can get more opportunities and potentially earn more money. You know how it's tiring that you have to apply for multiple job portals and answer the same question again and again on different company career sites. It also takes a lot of time for applying for different jobs, so it would be important for you to save your time by letting recruiters come to you for job opportunities rather than you manually applying to their career portals. And you can use the save time by preparing for those important interviews. You can optimize your LinkedIn profile to let recruiters come to you for job opportunities, and this will give you a much better returns in the long run. Since everyone knows that switching jobs is one of the most common ways to increase your compensation. With the power of compounding, you would be able to save money much earlier if you earn more, and if you invest it in the right place, it will compound it well. There are multiple reasons for switching jobs. It gives you a much high demand, and there is a saying. It gives you a much higher demand, and there's a saying. If you are in demand by having multiple offers from other companies, you are valuable in the eyes of any companies. It's basic psychology. If you don't have any offers, you are someone who is perceived as less demanding. And if you have multiple offers, you can get a much better negotiation opportunity with the company which you're interested in joining. So let's continue on how you can optimize your LinkedIn profile. So you can optimize your LinkedIn profile by one, having a professional pictures uploaded on LinkedIn. Not that casual t-shirt picture of yours on LinkedIn. It should be professional. The second step is have connections with recruiters as much as possible, as the LinkedIn algorithm works by searching people by 3 levels deep. So the more connection you have with these recruiters, the more they are able to search for you, and it's vice versa as well. The third step is to make sure that you are open to work and fill in all the information fully, like the job roles that you're open to and the work location that you want to work at. If you like this type of content, do like this video for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more tips of interviewing in big tech companies. Step 3. Make sure you have proper keywords that the recruiter is going to search for in your profile. If you're looking for a role for a MERN stack developer, then you should write MERN stack developer keywords in your LinkedIn heading. Also, write the tech stack that you want to work in the heading as well. So if you look at the heading, the software engineer hyphen full stack engineer, which is the role which I'm currently working at, multiple keywords that is written in my header, so that recruiter, if they search for Python developer or JavaScript developer, then they would be able to quickly, then my profile have a higher chances of ranking above with the other profile which does not have these keywords. If you click on open to work section here and see all details, you can see the edit button in the top right side to edit your preferences for your job that you're looking for or that you're open to work for. So once you click on edit, you'll be able to see all the job titles, workplaces, or the locations that you're open to work. So for example, I've just removed this for the demo purposes, you can simply add the role that you're looking for by just clicking on add title and just simply type whatever role you're looking for. For example, I'm a software engineer, so I'll look for software engineer roles. So everything software engineer. So you can only write 5 different roles that you're currently looking for, or 5 different role types that you're looking for. And there's also a limit for the number of countries or number of plate locations that you're looking for, 5 as well, for remote and on-site. And the start date just says that there are 2 options, immediately and flexible. Flexible means you're casually looking, nothing serious, and immediately means that I'm actively trying to look for a job. So also the job type, whether you're looking for part-time, internships, contracts, or full-time. So this is just an example, and you just need to hit save. That's it. This is just an example for my LinkedIn profile so that you can have a better understanding of how the open to work looks like. Step number 4 is get reviews from your work colleagues. Now, this isn't compulsory, but this can help as it acts as a validation to recruiters that there are people ready to vouch you for the work that you have done in the past. If you get a recommendation from your previous manager or senior software engineer, for example, that would show that you are good and more recruiters would be confident to reach out to you. But don't tell your friends to give you a recommendation if they have not worked with you in some way or shape or form, just to make your profile look better. Bonus tip. So try to post couple of good content on LinkedIn, because I have noticed that I have much more recruiters reaching out to me on LinkedIn when I'm posting a couple of posts. I think LinkedIn keeps track of people who are active on LinkedIn, and it is displayed to recruiter who are looking for the ideal candidates on the top. If you like this video, I'm sure you would like the video on cold emailing, which is another way to get more interviews. So if you click on the screen right, you can go and watch that video. That's all for this video. I wish you all the best for your job hunting.